At FCS Financial, we know you're hustling to build your farm, and we're here to make the financial side a little easier. Today, we're tackling the balance sheet, your operations financial snapshot of your assets, liabilities, equity, and net worth. It's important to understand because it helps you see your operations' financial success. Plus, it's key for planning and working with lenders. Let's walk through how to complete it. First things first, put the date on there so you know when this snapshot was taken. I like to start with the left side, which is your assets. These are all the things you or your operation owns that have value. Assets are divided into 3 sections: current, intermediate, and long-term. Current assets are things you can turn into cash within 12 months. This includes items like bank account balances, marketable livestock, think calves, goats, sheep you plan to sell soon, and prepaid inputs. Intermediate assets are things like your breeding herd, machinery, equipment, vehicles, and even retirement accounts. Long-term assets primarily consist of real estate holdings. When you're valuing your assets, most often the balance sheet is market-based, so you would list the asset at what you could sell them for today. In some circumstances, you or a lender may want to look at earned net worth and might list some assets, such as real estate, at purchase price. But for now, you can list assets at market value. Okay, now let's move to the right side. Liabilities. These are what you or your operation owes to others. Just like assets, liabilities are also divided into current, intermediate, and long-term. Current liabilities are debts due within 12 months. Think operating loans, credit card debt, and accrued interest. Intermediate liabilities are typically due in less than 10 years, like short-term notes for autos or livestock or machinery. Long-term liabilities are for things like real estate or home mortgages. Once you've listed all your assets and liabilities, total each side. The difference between these totals represents equity, also referred to as net worth. Equity reflects the residual value after settling all debt obligations. Pro tip, to make this easier, have a blank balance sheet handy and use your phone or laptop to log into your accounts and get the balances for the day you're filling it out. Pulling your credit report can also help you check loan balances and payments. Common mistakes? Forgetting credit card debt is a big one, even if you try to pay it off monthly. Also remember, if you're borrowing machinery or equipment from family, don't list it as an asset if you don't own it. You should, however, list assets that you have partial ownership in and accurately reflect that partial ownership in corresponding value. Key takeaway: your working capital is your current assets minus your current liabilities. This is an important number to track. A good working capital position allows you to be flexible when things change or when opportunity comes up. Completing a balance sheet might seem tough, but it's a crucial tool for your farm's success. And remember, FCS Financial is here to help. Best advice? Sit down with your FCS Financial loan officer. They can help you make sure you capture everything and put it in the right place. We're invested in the success of your operation.